Hello, aerospace. All right, now we're going to talk about using your cleecos to fasten together the two pieces of metal. So you're going to be keeping these two pieces of metal out, the 4x4 and the 4x6 pieces of metal. Cover this one up. You're going to be covering this up so that the hole is covered up by the 4x4 piece. Now, you're going to be using your angled cleecos, so take out all four of these. Oops, there you go. Got all four of these out. And then also your Cleeco wrench. And last thing is that we'll use is some masking tape. So get all these tools out. And once you have those tools out, now you can go through and we're going to temporarily fasten this piece with the Cleeco. So again, I'm going to tilt the camera down so you can see the bench a little easier. There we go. So first off, I'm going to insert my Cleeco into the wrench. There's that shoulder area, and it's going to go inside there. I open this up, and then I push down on the spring side, and it creates that to open and close back up. So practice doing that a couple times, putting the Cleecos in there, understanding how to open them up. Once you have them opened up, we're going to use all four Cleecos on here. We're going to put two Cleecos on either side to hold this temporarily in place. So I'm going to just place that there and squeeze it down. Now these Cleecos do have a lot of force to them, so be careful as you're using these. Don't get your fingers or anything caught in these. And of course you already have your safety glasses on from your deburring exercise. So now I'm going to attach this here. And as I'm attaching, I forgot to sort of show this, but you want to make sure that this 4-inch piece and this 4x6-inch piece are flush on 3 of the edges going around there. That's nice and flush on that. And now I'm going to attach my last Cleeco on here, right there in that corner. So I have my 4 Cleecos on the corners there. That's nice and flush as we go along there. I'll lay this over here like that so it's nice on the table. Now I'm going to take my masking tape. So these are, the Cleecos are holding this together firmly. They're like very small but powerful clamps that are holding this together. And I just am using these right now to hold it together so I can put on the masking tape and for us to be able to do layout on top of the masking tape. So now that I have the Cleecos in place, I'm going to take my masking tape. I'm going to pull it so it's just a little bit longer than our piece. I'm going to start by putting one piece up here close to the edge, but we're about 3/4 of an inch away from the edge. I'm going to fold it around this corner, hold that in place, and then fold it around that edge. Follow through, do this a couple more times. And once we have that, and I'm slightly overlapping, just a little bit of overlap in between there, but I'm fully covering up the blue area there because we're going to be doing some layout on the masking tape. And it looks like I can get one more on here. And then I'm going to fold this over right there. And now I have 3 on there. Next, I'm going to take my 4 Cleecos off and put one more strip of tape on either side. Now my piece is ready. It's covered with layout tape, and we can start doing a layout on there, which we will start on tomorrow. All right. Good job, aerospace.